Duond bura mar ODM othicho oko jaod bura mabondo Gideon Ochanda elemo mar jagoro mar duond bura no bade mabondo. Kosomo weche manyo ng'adi e bura mabende nyo ochuo e kom kod seneta Masiaya Oburu Oginga, jalup jakom mar ODM bade mabondo George Ochieng olero ni lemo mar jagoro ma Ochanda osebedo ka omako koro okaw kod MCA Maimbo East Francis Otiato. E kinde romono, seneta Masiaya Oburu Oginga okoni ODM biro kawo ondamo mowinjore ne jok ma obalo ka oseyo Ochanda kuom ndhogo duond bura mane omiye otiko e kinde yiero mokalo. Oburu osemo jo Kenya mondo otangi jatend piny William Ruto mawacho ni kedo kod demokrasia mapacho kae kokalo e nyiewo moko kuom jod bura mag duond buche maketo piny owacho tesre.
He made a statement which was clearly attacking the party and party policies, and stating that he would that he thinks the line the party is taking is illegal, and they are ways of democracy. They are ways of expressing opinion. The opinion of the member of parliament is not suppressed or oppressed. He has the democratic right to express his views on any issue, but he has channels through which he can channel his complaints or raise issues with the party if he strongly disagrees with the party. But when he decides to call the press and start expressing his views, attacking the party leadership and attacking the party policies, clearly he is deviating from the party.
These members here today unanimously agreed that they have expelled Dr. Gideon Ochanda from being the secretary of the branch, and his position is taken by Dr. Francis Otiato.
Just like my vice chair said, we are very categorical on procedures. I know the sections as read here is very clear on what we need to do when or how somebody deemed to have resigned from a political party.